You learnt medicine in the West. You didn't have any medicine before you went.
No, you guys learned medicine from Ibn Sina.
What are you on
In the
about?
17th century, what was the textbook that the medical schools were reading? What was the book?
We dissected
What was
human
the book?
bodies, which
What was the book?
I don't think was good thing to do.
17th century, who wrote your medical textbook?
No, there were Greek doctors, mate.
Oh, it's Ibn Sina. He wrote a book called Al-Qanun, the canon. So you were learning medicine from us, even now.
Penicillin. Do you use the medicine we invented?
Femtochemistry. Who is the father of femtochemistry?
Look, this is ridiculous, obscure
Dr.
shit.
Ahmed from Egypt. Who created the scientific
Francis
method?
Bacon.
No.
My name's...
Ibn al-Haytham.
Yeah, you could argue that, but...
Yeah, exactly. There you go.
No, but it's not
Well, you
based
can
on
argue Francis Bacon, but no. Who created the first university?
Oxford.
Huh?
Oxford is the first modern university.
No.
Well, it's
Where'd you get your information from?
from books and...
Oh, okay, so which book have you read that told you?
Hey!
Right.
You know Oxford University was first a seminary, right?
Yes.
It was a Bible school, yeah? What was the first language that they started learning in Oxford and Cambridge?
Latin.
No.
Arabic.
Yes. Ding, 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 ding.
You've got to be kidding me.
Yay.
How delusional.
Even your ancestors.
Show me the evidence for that.
It's in your history books.
No, you cannot find that evidence.
It's there, mate.